All right, in order to import and export Excel files within Pandas, we're going to need to ensure that we have two libraries. They are called xlrd and openpyxl. And in this lesson, I'm just going to take you through the process of accessing the terminal on a Mac system and downloading those two libraries. If you already have them, then there's no harm done. You'll just see a message that confirms you already have them. And if you don't, as you know by now, you just have to wait for Conda to query the server and then select Y in order to select and install those libraries. So let's open a brand new terminal window. I can click my terminal from the dock and click new window. If you don't have your terminal on the dock, you can go to your Finder, go to Applications, and then the Utilities folder and find terminal in there. The first thing we always want to do is to activate our environment. In our case, it's going to be source activate root. Root is the default installed environment on an Anaconda installation. There we can see we are in the root environment. Now I want to enter conda install xlrd. Let's execute that and see what happens. It's going to query the server, see if it can find a library that matches that name. And you can see on my end it says I need to update it. If you get a message like this, just press Y. And now if I try running that command again, it should be up to date, and I should get a message that says something along the lines of this package has already been installed. Here we go. All requested packages already installed, all good. So after that, we also want to run conda install openpyxl. So open, then py, then xl. That's probably short for Python Excel. Let's take a look here. And once again, for me, this requested package is already installed. But if for you it says something like need to install, confirm with Y or N, just put in that Y, press enter, the installation bar will flash on screen. And as soon as you have both of those libraries, you're good to go. I do recommend closing and saving out your Jupyter Notebook and then just launching a fresh instance of the Jupyter Navigator and going back to your notebook after that. That should just ensure that everything is proper. But in the next lesson, we'll talk a little bit about how we can use these libraries to import a single Excel file.